This training video is about using Google Docs. Wikipedia has an archaic definition of what a word processor is. We won't get into all the details because all of you already know they allow you to compose, edit, format, and print documents. Google Docs is an online web-based word processor which can be accessed from any computer with an internet connection and a full-featured web browser. There are also apps for smartphones and tablets which can be installed and used to access your documents. However, this tutorial will be only about the computer web-based version. Google has provided a comprehensive learning center to walk you through each of the steps on using Google Docs. You can check out the link below this video, or type G Suite Learning Center in the search bar, or you can search YouTube and find literally thousands of videos. Of course, you could attend classes, read thousands of books, watch hundreds of videos, but the best way to learn is to start using it. So, let's get started. First thing you must do is get logged into your Faith Church or Faith Prep email account using the Chrome browser. Now that it's loaded, click on the tic-tac-toe icon in the upper right, then choose Drive. Now I click the New button and I can do File Upload if I wanted to upload and convert an existing Word document, or choose Google Docs. I can either have a blank document or I can create a new one from template. Now I'm going to start with an existing document and I'm going to walk through the formatting bar icons. A lot of these are pretty self-explanatory. Print, obviously will print your documents. This is undo. This is redo. These are great features. If I accidentally change some of my text, I can actually undo it. Or I can redo it. This is the paint format. If I were to take this text and make it a different font and a different size, let's say I wanted this to be applied to another piece of text. I just click that. Let's say I just wanted these 3 pieces of text. And change that for me and apply that text to wherever I highlight. This is your zoom button. This will change the viewing size. If I want to, I could do 125%, or you can do 200%, but what I recommend doing is fit. So your entire document fits in your screen. This drop down here is where you assign styles for headings and titles. Let's say I wanted this text here to be a title bar, and then I wanted this text here to be a subtitle. Let's say I wanted this to be bold, I wanted it to be a different color. So I wanted it to be red. So now I can take this text, title, title and match. Okay, so now this is my new title. If I click that and choose title, it'll follow suit. If you highlight any text, this is how you change its font size. Obviously how you change its font type. Make it bold. Make it italics, make it underline. Change the color. If I want to, I can make this yellow. Or I can make it this light red. This right here is to insert a link. Let's say I wanted to insert a link. I'm going to grab the one from Faith Prep. We'll call it Faith Prep website. Apply. Now that link will be inserted into my document. Here's adding comment. Let's say I wanted to add a comment on a certain section. Let's say this section right here I didn't like. I wanted to add a comment. Could be add that comment. And that comment will go along with this document wherever I move. This would be a great example if I were sharing this document with somebody and I wanted them to update it without me actually changing the document itself. This section here, pretty straightforward. Center align, right align, broken. Here's where I change my line spacing. If I wanted to, I could make it only single or double, or 1.15 or 1.5. This is where I add numerics or bullets. Here's where I indent them if I wanted to, or remove some of the indenting. And this button right here will allow me to clear my formatting. Over here where it says editing, this just tells me what I'm currently doing with the document. I'm editing, or if I was just viewing the document. So you want to hit view, it looks completely different. Suggestions, this is if you're using collaboration. You can make it so any suggestions you make actually become part of the document. And this button right here will hide the menus or show them back up again. This little icon down here is the Explore icon. If I click on this, it allows me to insert all kinds of things. So this is about the quick brown fox that jumped over the lazy dog's back. If I did this, and I did a search for images, you see there, I have an image of a quick brown fox. And I can insert this image. Say insert. Now the image is inserted. I can grab its handles and resize it. I can move it around here. And I can wrap text around it if I wanted to. I can also insert information from Google Drive if I so wanted to. So some of the drop downs, if I click on File here, most of these are self-explanatory. If I wanted to create a new document, open, rename, make a copy, move to trash, see revision history, change the language, download it, publish it, send it to email for collaboration, email it as attachment, page setup and print, edit, undo, redo, paste. If I had text to paste, I could paste that text also without formatting. I could select all my items, I could select none, I can do find and replace. Underneath view, I can select my modes, I could show the ruler, I could show the equation toolbar. Underneath insert, I can insert images, links, equations, all kinds of things. Underneath format, a lot of this is the same thing in the format bar. Tools, this is where I get my spell checker. There's my Explore button. Here's something I wanted to show you, voice typing. If you click here, I click here to speak. I work at Faith Church, 600 Danbury Road, New Milford, Connecticut. This will actually do speech to text. And as you can see, it says it's currently saving the document. See, all documents just saved to drive. Next part I want to show you is sharing. If you just click share here, it's going to ask you to type in the names of people you want to share this document with. So let's say I wanted to share this with Pastor Al. All I need to do is type in the first few of his letters. And if I wanted to, I could type in some notes. Once I hit send, Pastor Al will get an email with a link and he'll be able to open and edit this document. We hope this video has helped you learn more about using Google Docs. Be sure to check out the other tutorials for each of the apps. Of course, if you have any questions, please feel free to call me or email me at questions@faithprep.cc. Thanks, and God bless.